At SPC, we're committed to keeping our region connected and moving forward. That's why we're investing over $29 billion in our region's infrastructure over 25 years through the region's Long-Range Transportation Plan, Mapping the Future, the Southwestern PA Plan. Mapping the Future prioritizes programs and projects that advance the regional vision of transportation and land use that supports and enhances the regional economy and the communities within it. In terms of making connections, the region's Long-Range Transportation Plan is implemented with a series of shorter-term investment plans, known as Transportation Improvement Programs, or TIPs. Each TIP is a step along that 25-year investment in our region's future. Today, we're going to talk about the latest step forward, the Draft 2017-2020 TIP, which will invest $4.9 billion in our transportation system over the next 4 years. Each of us rely on our transportation system every day to get to where we need to go. Whether we're going to work, taking our children to school, doing some shopping, going to the park, or heading home. A safe and reliable transportation system is essential to keep us connected and moving forward every day. Our transportation infrastructure doesn't just keep people moving, it also brings us things like food and clothing, sources of energy, and practically everything we need and use every day. Our transportation system connects us to so many parts of our lives, and that's why it's so important to invest in our infrastructure to make sure it's safe, reliable, and efficient. At SPC, we want to know what you think about the over $4.9 billion in transportation investments proposed on the draft TIP. The draft TIP is comprised of projects and programs that serve multiple transportation modes and connections in our region. Nearly $2 billion will be spent on public transit, for buses, T, and park and rides. Over $1.5 billion will go toward roads and bridges, from large gateway spans to our local bridges. Multimodal projects that connect cyclists and pedestrians to work and recreation. Freight projects, moving products to and from our local businesses. Safety projects, such as interchange improvements, realignment of roadways, and railway crossing upgrades. Projects to improve air quality and reduce traffic congestion, like traffic signal enhancements, bike paths, and walking trails. The draft TIP also includes $1.3 billion in other federal, state, and private funding for interstates, railways, and other major projects. These are the projects that link us to our jobs, schools, homes, and communities, and we'd like to know what you think about them. The draft TIP is available for public review and comment through June 3rd. You can also comment on 2 companion reports that analyze how well the TIP performs in terms of air quality and environmental justice. An amendment to the region's Long-Range Transportation Plan, Mapping the Future, with updated project and cost information from the draft TIP is also available. Materials are available online at spcregion.org, at county and city planning departments, and many public libraries. You can come to a public meeting of SPC's public participation panels. Ask questions and talk to SPC staff, PennDOT, and transit agencies. And make your opinions known. The meetings are open to all, and if you can't attend a meeting, you can send us your written comments. We hope you'll look at this important information and give us your thoughts. Encourage your friends and neighbors also, because our transportation system connects us to each other and to our communities. We look forward to hearing from you.